So now here we have the correct assertion. We take the square of the square root, compare it with x, and the absolute difference should be smaller than abs. We go and click on run, and if everything works well, our test should pass by now. See, print's done, which means that all assertions actually now have been satisfied. Just for the record, on my machine, at this point, I can go and run 1,000,000 tests like these per second, which means that assertions can be a really great test device. Compare that to the time it would take me to write 1,000,000 manual test cases, which means that once you do have assertions, you can go and run tests like crazy.